Today, I'm going to teach you how to get Microsoft Forms for free. This is a fantastic tool for creating surveys, quizzes, and feedback forms without spending a dime, and it's easier to access than you might think. First, open your web browser and navigate to Microsoft.com. This is your starting point for accessing all Microsoft services, including Forms. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign into your Microsoft account, so click the Sign In button to proceed. Now you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Type in the email associated with your Microsoft account, then click Next. This step verifies which account you're trying to access and prepares the system for authentication. After clicking Next, you'll see an option to send a verification code. Click Send Code, and Microsoft will immediately email you a unique code for security purposes. This is a standard security measure to ensure that only you can access your account. Open your email inbox and locate the message from Microsoft containing this code. Once you've found it, copy the code from your email, then switch back to the Microsoft page in your browser and paste the code into the verification field. This confirms your identity and grants you access to your account. At this point, a pop-up will appear asking if you want to stay signed in. If you're using a personal device and want quicker access in the future, click Yes. If you're on a shared or public computer, it's safer to click No to protect your account security. And that's it. You now have Microsoft Forms open and ready to use to start creating your first form or quiz. Simply click New Form or New Quiz, depending on what you need. From there, you can begin adding questions, customizing the design, and sharing your form with others. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.